Imagine, 22 years, you have a certain way of thinking, a certain mentality, a certain understanding, and you decide to go full force with it. And after 22 years, living in this belief, suddenly you are in disbelief when you see the truth come out and that you were wrong. That's exactly what happened to the brothers. The brothers of Yosef are there in Egypt at his mercy, thinking he is just an Egyptian viceroy. And he says very simply, very humbly, Ani Yosef, I am Yosef, your brother, which you sold to Egypt. Don't worry. You didn't send me here. God sent me here. But I am your brother. At that moment, everything is revealed. You realize your mistake. Yosef. Imagine this great Yosef. What was his power? How did it endure all this time with his brothers, even in jail, coming down to Egypt? What was his secret to go from the bottom all the way to the top and actually become the viceroy and the minister of finance of the whole world? Yosef had one quality, and this quality brought upon him a certain grace, a certain connection. The Spirit of God was upon him. When Yosef himself tells his brother, go quickly, announce to my father that I am alive, what happens to Yaakov, which unfortunately did not feel God's presence all this time because he was sad? The moment he hears the joyous news, Vatechi ruach Yaakov avihem, the spirit of Yaakov, the spirit of holiness, the revelation of God came back because of his simcha, because joy came back. That was the key of Yosef. When Yosef goes down to Egypt, the Torah takes note that he was sold and brought down to Egypt by people that sell perfume and not by people that sell tar. Why? Why does the Torah have to tell us this detail? To teach us that Yosef didn't look at the negative. He concentrated on the 5% which was positive. When he was thrown in jail, he saw how he could help another, even if we're talking about two anti-Semites. He saw a mission and therefore found grace, even in jail. Wherever he was, in any given situation, Yosef was filled with joy to fulfill God's plan. And even in this moment, when he could have taken revenge, he didn't do so. He recognized it was God's hand. Next time you feel you need a boost of success, just change your mentality. Start appreciating the 5% or more that's doing good in your life and be happy about it.